What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you busy?
A little, but I can talk.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How is your day?
My day is good.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where do you live?
I live in Lahore.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
What is your phone number?
My number is 1-2-3-4-5-6-7-8-9.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you like tea?
No, I prefer coffee.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Is your mother at home?
Yes, she is.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you like spending time with friends?
Yes, very much.
Do your friends live near you?
Yes, they do.
Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, I visit them every week.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Ali.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some.
Do you work?
Yes, I work in an office.
What is your job?
I'm a cashier.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you want a new job?
Yes, maybe in the future.
Do you go shopping often?
Yes, I do.
Where do you shop?
I shop in the market.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
How much is this?
It is $5.
Do you have change?
Yes, here you are.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Do you like clothes shopping?
Yes, I love it.
What is your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Zara.
Do you buy expensive things?
No, I like cheap things.
Do you pay with cash or card?
I pay with card.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
Do you play an instrument?
No, I don't.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, every day.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, every day.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, in the morning.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you cook well?
A little.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I don't.
Do you travel a lot?
No, not much.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Do you go on holidays?
Yes, once a year.
Have you been on a plane?
Yes, I have.
Do you like long trips?
No, I like short trips.
Do you want to visit another country?
Yes, I want to visit Turkey.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep 8 hours.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, when I am sick.
Do you drink water?
Yes, a lot.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, twice a day.
Do you have a headache?
No, I feel fine.
Do you play sports for health?
Yes, I play football.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I love it.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, every day.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't.